Ladies and gentlemen, can I deduct mortgage interest? Yes, there are some requirements. We're going to have a look at it now. So we're on Turbotax, and Turbotax is great software for filing all your taxes. And I'm going to just discuss the mortgage interest. So first of all, the loan must be secured by the home, and then also the home can be any type of asset. So it could be a house, a condominium, a cooperative, mobile home, boat, recreational vehicle, or a similar property that has sleeping, cooking, and toilet facilities, right? Also, having a look here for the mortgage interest to be deductible, if it was a rental property, then you will have to have personally used the rental property for 14 days or 10% of the number of days it was actually rented out. The limitations could also exist, such as your debt exceeding $750,000 all the way up to $1 million if the loan was taken out before a certain period, and that you can check by jumping into support and having a look at the frequently asked questions. You can go ahead and find out more over there. Also, if it's based on who the owner or the borrower is and who makes those payments. So this is what it depends on. What you can do is you can go ahead, you will need a 1098 form. You can actually jump in if you have an account with Turbotax and go up to the top right hand side over here and tap on search, and you'll be able to find a 1098 form here once you just search that query. Alternatively, we can jump into the IRS and we can look for the 1098 form here as well, and in the results over here you can see it says over here instructions for form 1098 mortgage interest statement. We're going to go in there and there will be a downloadable PDF 1098 form that you can actually download, fill in, and send back to the IRS. You can see over here it's a couple pages. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you in another awesome video. Cheers for now.